In this video, we're going to look at aligning and distributing shapes in Visio. So I've got three circles here. I've got a blue top right, red in the middle, and yellow bottom left. I'm now going to align all these shapes to the blue shape, and then I'm going to distribute them so they're separated equally. So if I want to align to the blue shape, which I do in this example, I'm going to click the blue shape first. So I want the blue shape selected, then hold my shift key down, then the red. And we can now see already there's a darker frame around the blue shape to the red shape. So that makes it like a trigger shape. So that's the one that we're going to align to. Now the yellow. Now I'm going to align middle to the blue shape. And now I'm going to distribute equally across the page horizontally with them all selected, position, and then I can distribute horizontally. And that then gives you perfect symmetry between the shapes, which are now aligned to the blue shape. I'll give you another example. So I'll put red back in the middle, yellow over here somewhere, and blue here somewhere. Put blue there. This time I want to align to the red shape. So I'm going to click on the red first. Hold the shift key down. Blue, yellow. And we can see the red has got the darker frame around it. Go into align and align top to the red shape. Now we can see the distribution needs to be evened out. So position drop down and then distribute horizontally. And there's a way you can align and distribute shapes on a Visio diagram page. But this completes the training video on aligning and distributing shapes in Visio. And in this example, we align to the shape which was selected first. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you for the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.